Voles are sneaky creatures, often doing tremendous damage that isn't visible until the snow melts. Their destruction comes in three forms. The most obvious are the narrow tunnels that appear just under the surface of a lawn. Voles use these underground runways to feed on roots, bulbs, and grass throughout the winter. Tunnel openings are about 1 inch in diameter, usually found near vegetation or leaf debris. While the tunnels are unsightly and may harm lawns, the damage usually self-repairs quickly. The bigger problem comes from root and bulb destruction. Voles will gnaw through whatever nourishment they find underground, and that includes your perennial garden. Vole appetites are insatiable. They can eat their body weight in vegetation in a single day. In addition, they often chew the bark around trees and shrubs, sometimes girding the plant so badly it can't survive. To make matters worse, voles breed year-round and prolifically. Each female can have 10 or 12 litters per year, with an average of 3 to 6 babies per litter. Keeping the vole population under control now can prevent tremendous problems later. But how? The first line of defense is habitat modification. Voles avoid open areas, preferring to hide, nest, and tunnel near vegetation. Discourage them by removing leaf debris. At the end of the season, mow grass short and cut back ornamental grasses. Minimize winter mulching or use crushed stone, which voles dislike, at the base of prized ornamentals. Leave about 3 feet of bare soil around the base of other trees. Barriers around the base of trees and shrubs can also be helpful. Bury 1/4 inch mesh fencing at least 3 inches below ground and extend it above the usual snow line. Finally, safeguard your plants with Bob XR repellent. Spray it around low-lying perennials, the base of trees and shrubs, and in the entry of any vole tunnels you find. It can be applied anytime the temperature is above 35 and below 85 degrees Fahrenheit. You can also protect bulbs by dipping them in Bob XR concentrate before planting. Bob X is top-rated, long-lasting, totally safe, and guaranteed. A small investment in Bob X can effectively deter destructive voles and other wildlife, saving you hundreds or more in replacement plants. For more garden inspiration and tips, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.